Hi, everybody. My name is Chythlook. I am a student here at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. I am a part of the School of Management and associated with the BLAST program here at the university. My research topic that I'm talking about here is going to be about water services impact on subsistence activities. I'm currently conducting interviews with folks out in rural communities here across the state of Alaska and just listening to their stories about their relationship between water services or having access to running water in the home and how those different levels of access changes their ability to subsist. I am documenting all of these folks' metrics, individual metrics of success for both subsistence activities and how they gauge a successful water service. So just asking them how they think or what does it mean to have or to be in or participate in a successful subsistence activity, or what is a successful water service in their opinion. And really, I am just learning about any relationship at all documented from these folks out in rural Alaska, their own personal perspective, any relationship at all between how water services have impacted their ability to subsist. And it's kind of looking at it kind of at a snapshot, maybe a summer to summer, but for a lot of the folks that I've interviewed, they're considered elders, and they've experienced a wide variety of water services and access over time. So that's been really interesting to see and listen, and kind of listen to folks' stories about how access to water services have changed their ability to subsist over time. So yeah, that is kind of my thing. Yeah, like I mentioned, I am still doing interviews currently and listening to folks' stories about how having indoor plumbing has changed their ability to subsist. And I would say some of my more interesting findings as I'm doing these interviews is how impactful an abundance of water um, changes folks' ability to assist for themselves and for their community members or their families and friends. And likewise, the differences or impacts that they've noticed with the lack of running water has been interesting. Um, the individuals do have a very subjective and personal metric of success for both subsistence activities, and then just the definitions of subsistence is universal, but everybody has kind of their own individual metric of success, and it's been really interesting. I look forward to sharing all this stuff with you folks. So yeah, thanks. Bye.